Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking character Gildedguy. So here's my full sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch, and this one's a lot of fun to draw. That's why I end up doing a little bit more shading than usual. Alright, so to begin, we're just gonna draw in his head, which is just gonna be one big circle. So this one is easy enough. Okay, so I'm just eyeballing it, so it doesn't have to be perfectly round. And then from this circle, we're going to draw the details inside. So we're going to start right about the middle of this circle, maybe slightly a little bit higher. I'll make a little point, so that's going to be that spot right there. And then from here, just angle up. Now I'm going to come back down with a bracket. And then on the bottom here, we're going to connect this, not with a straight line, but just give it a slight curve going up. Okay, and I'm giving him a little bit of expression here. So for this side, it's just gonna be a circle. And then this side, just come here, just draw like a little bar right here. So it's kind of winking. All right, and let me shade this in real quick so we can see the eyes a little bit better. So I'm giving him expression because he's going to be holding his thumbs up. If you want to, you can just draw another circle. You know, it doesn't really matter, whatever expression you want to give him. All right, so that's the eye area. So now let's move on to the body. So for the body, and it's going to be pretty simple as well, just very basic shapes. So from here, we're just gonna slant down on both sides. Just come down, close it off with an angle. So this is gonna be the whole hip area as well on the bottom. Now I'm just gonna divide this up. Just add one more little line here, little angle. All right, so from here, let's go ahead and finish up the legs, and we'll come back up and draw the arms. All right, so for the legs, here's the middle right here. I'm gonna start on the outside. And then on the inside here, just come out. I'm just gonna close this off, the curve going up, and then just round this out on the bottom. Okay, so same thing here. Come down, inside here. Little curve going up, and then just round this off. All right, and then now for the lower legs, I'm gonna start on the inside here, go all the way down here. On this side, come down, I'm gonna stop a little short, give a little bump outside, and then close this off. Now that we have this shape here, we're gonna continue with this curve. Okay, so just connect to that. And we can add in a little detail right here. Just one little curve. All right, so we're seeing this at a 3/4 view. So we're giving a little bit of a perspective. So same thing here. Curve down. Come down, stop here. Just use this side for reference. Bump going out, close it off, and then again just continue with this curve all the way here. One little curve. Alright, so let's see, now let's move on to the arms, and let's go ahead and draw on this side first because this one's a little bit easier. Okay, so we're gonna start, here's the armpit right here, make a little mark. Okay, shoulder just come down right around here. Come down. So that's gonna be the bicep area, and now let's draw the lower arm. So the lower arm is gonna flare out. And then just round it out. Close it off. And now for the fist. Just one little hook for the thumb. Back of the fist, just come down. We'll stop right there. Dip down and then go back up into the thumb. And then right here, just one little line here to divide up the fingers. Alright, so now let's draw this side, and this side's gonna be a little bit different. Start right here on the shoulder, just come out slightly. Here's the armpit, just come down. And then now I'm gonna curve this way. So leave a little bit of space right here. Just draw a curve like this. On the top right here, this is gonna be a thumb. One curve going up. And now we're just gonna round this out, come down, and then just connect to that. Okay, so it looks a little bit strange because we're not giving this the dividing up the fingers. So now we're gonna come back up here, just curve down, and we can add in a couple of lines right here for the fingers. All right, so once we have this, now we can connect this on the forearm right here. So I'm going to continue with this curve. Just go right behind the arm. Just go right behind the hand right there. All right, and then lastly, let's see. It's got a little bit of shoulder pad right here. So this one's going to go this way, and this side we're seeing less of it. So it's just going to be one curve going up. Okay, and then now for the cape. So the cape is easy enough. So I'm just gonna start on this side. We're gonna draw this one going out. So right underneath the arm right here. So it doesn't have to be exact, just draw one line going out on one curve. Now I'm gonna draw this side right here. So it's gonna come down here. These are gonna be the two corners. And now we just connect them. Just give it a nice curve right behind the legs. And then just close everything off. And that is it for this gilded guy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.